my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to test out 5-minute crafts. I guess all of you once in your life have came across their video either on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere. But while you are watching their video, you are like, ये मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं सोचा? Right? So today I have picked 5 or 6 makeup and beauty hacks, and I'm going to try them out and see if they really work in real life or they are just for fun and entertainment purpose. So if you want to see me doing and testing out those hacks, then keep on watching. The first hack that I picked up is a mascara hack. So what this girl is doing is she takes a tweezer and applies mascara on it, and then she just apply that mascara on her lower lash line. So if this works out, it would be life changing, because while I apply mascara on my lower lash line, I always tend to mess it up because my lashes on my lower lash line are so small and thin and they are just negligible. But I really like those spider eyes, those fluffy lashes up and down. So let's see if this hack works out or not. So I have this little tweezer right here and this mascara, and I'm just going to do what she was doing in the video. Like you can see, I'm going to take some mascara on the tweezer, and now I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line to see if that really works. Like I will show you once. No, it's definitely not happening. Either my lashes are too small. इससे अच्छा तो मैं मस्कारा से ही लगा लेती हूँ. Okay, I don't want to pluck my hair. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the mascara is not on my lashes, but it is there on my skin. This hack will be good for those who have like very fluffy and voluminous lashes, both up and down. It will really work out for them, but my lashes are really small. I can barely like figure it out to apply it using this tweezer. It is not working for me, so thumbs down. Just applying mascara on the other eye as well. It is so easy while I'm applying it with this wand itself. I don't know, this hack didn't work out for me. So let's move on to the other one. Okay, so the next hack that I picked up is about a dried out eyeliner, that pencil eyeliner we get in the market. So what this girl does is she takes out the tip of the eyeliner, flips it and put it inside from the other side, and voila, you get a really nice working eyeliner again. So I have this eyeliner with me. This is like dried out. You can see it's not working really fine. While I'm applying it on my eye, it breaks. It keeps on breaking up. So let's see if this hack works or not. I have this tweezer, and now I'm going to take out the tip of the eyeliner. I really want to work it out. Okay, it's coming out. Yes, it did. Now I am going to flip it and put it inside from the other side. Can you see it? It's not going in. What the hell? Why it is not going inside? Okay, I have to stop trying before I get all full of eyeliner. Totally a flop one for me, but I have seen many people doing it. Like I don't know, maybe the tip of this eyeliner is really thick. Yeah, it is. It is not going inside again, and I just messed up. Yeah, it didn't work out. So let's move on to the other one. I hope इतने सारे hacks में से कोई एक hack तो work करना ही चाहिए, नहीं तो क्या फ़ायदा होगा. So yeah, let's see. Let's move on to the other hack. RIP to him. So yeah, moving on to the third hack. It's about body shimmer or body illuminator, whatever you call it. So what this girl does, she takes some oil and mix up some highlighter in it, and then she's apply it on her body, and you get a really nice, shiny and very silky looking body. So let's try it out. I'm going to use this parachute oil because I don't have that Johnson's baby oil, and I'm going to use my favorite master chrome highlighter and see if this hack works or not. ना बड़ा बाउल लेके आई हूँ मैं इस जरा सी चीज़ के लिए, तो मैं इसमें I'm just going to pour out some oil in it. Okay, so I have poured in some oil in this bowl and I have scraped off some highlighter as well. I'm feeling so bad for my highlighter. Like, this is my favorite, and now I'm just going to mix it up. Ooh, this really looks like a illuminator. I have taken some amount and I'm going to apply it on my hand. Oh my god. Wow. See. I think the oil and the highlighter is making my skin glow, like, but it is good for your body only, not for your face, because your face will go really oily and yeah, it won't look good on face. It is definitely great for applying it on your body. You get a really nice sheen and that silky texture on your body. So yeah, this hack they really worked for me. So let's move on to the next hack. Okay, so the next hack is about coloring your hair using a lipstick. Yes, you heard it right, with a lipstick. So this girl takes on some lipstick and applies it on her hair, and then she combs off her hair to remove off the excess product, and then you get really nice colorful hair. So let's try it out. I have this pink lipstick with me. I selected a pink one because my hair are really black and no other color will be visible on them. So I will take out a strand of my hair and I'm going to apply it, and let's see. Okay, I'm ruining my hair. I'm ruining everything in this video. Okay, so we got this destroyed and now I'm going to comb it off. Okay, this is what I got after combing my hair, but it looks very greasy, and like, I haven't washed my hair for like 3-4 days, but still they were looking fine before, but now it looks very greasy. And see this, the color is coming off. So what's the point? If someone goes like this, then the color is all over their hands. So this is very ridiculous. Everybody will prefer going to a salon and getting their hair done really nicely, but no one is going to try it off because the color will come off in your hands and everywhere on your clothes. So it is not practical at all, and it is just not working out. So we will move on to the next hack. So the next hack is about applying eyeliner using a toothpick, like a winged eyeliner. We girls know how much we struggle while applying a winged eyeliner. So if this works out, I'm going to use it, like seriously. So what this girl does, she takes a toothpick, applies some eyeliner on the tip of the toothpick, and then she draws a wing, and you get a really nice beautiful winged eyeliner. So let's see if it works. So I have this Lakme eyeliner, and now I'm going to apply it on the tip of my toothpick, like this. And now I'm going to draw a wing. So what she does, she places that toothpick on her eye like this, and then she draws a wing. Wow, oh my god, let me just fill it in. This is the look I got after applying eyeliner on my both eyes using that toothpick, and I must say I'm really impressed with the outcome because the eyeliner on both eyes looks so similar, and this is a dream come true for every girl out there, I know. So I would definitely recommend you guys to try out this hack if you struggle while applying a winged eyeliner, and I would give this hack a thumbs up from my side. Okay, so the next and the last hack is about a lipstick, that how can you turn your creamy lipstick into a matte one. So what this girl does, takes a lipstick, a creamy one, applies it on her lips, then puts on a wipe or a tissue on her lip, and then again applies the lipstick and dusts it off with some loose powder, and then she removes it and gets some matte finish on her lips. So let's try this hack if it works out or not. So first I'm going to apply the lipstick. It is red in color. Okay, now I'm taking this wipe and I'm going to place it over my lips. I'm going to look so funny, and I'm going to apply the lipstick again to dust it off with some loose powder. Is there any difference? Let me see in the mirror. Don't know about the difference, but you can definitely see that the lipstick is all over my chin. I don't think this is worth a try because now there are so many lipsticks available in the market at a really cheap rate. Like you get a matte lipstick for like 200, 150 as well. So why to do this much effort? And I don't think this is worth trying. And yeah, this was it for today's video. I told you guys I'm going to look totally different at the end of the video, and so I am. So I selected 5 or 6 hacks for this video, and only 2 worked out for me, which I think are worth trying. So if you enjoyed and had fun while watching me trying on these hacks and ruining everything around me, then don't forget to hit the like button and do comment down below that have you ever tried any 5-minute craft hacks, and please subscribe to my channel as well. And until then, see you next time. Bye bye.